Welcome to Number One Coaching, where success is within your grasp. Are you ready to dominate your entrepreneurial journey? Stop settling for mediocrity and start winning. Remember, building a business is merely the foundation for constructing a life filled with control, wealth, and undeniable freedom. Let's dive into the steps you need to create your very own empire, achieving extraordinary results along the way. First and foremost, take full control of your life and understand that your results are solely your responsibility. Blaming external factors will not yield success. The moment you embrace ownership of your choices, a world of potential will open as you unlock the path to your true capabilities. Next, focus on accumulating wealth in a meaningful way. Forget traditional jobs that tether you to limited salaries. Instead, set your sights on owning businesses and assets where true wealth resides. It's time to shift your perspective and find the right game to play. Identify real problems waiting to be solved for a specific audience, steering clear of fleeting trends in favor of scalable and valuable solutions. If you discover a genuine need, you've hit the jackpot. As your business begins to take shape, you must craft a brand that captures attention. Without visibility, even the best products will struggle to succeed. Become a dominant force on social media, assert your authority, and share your journey. Make yourself an icon within your industry, capturing the attention of potential clients and customers alike. Now let's delve deeper into the crucial next step, mastering the art of selling, because selling is indeed the lifeblood of any business. You must convince, convert, and close every opportunity that presents itself. Remember to follow up diligently. Most prospects will need that gentle reminder before making a buying decision. Selling is not just an option, it is an essential skill you cannot afford to neglect. Once sales start flowing and your business gains momentum, it's crucial to pivot towards scaling your operations. Start automating your processes to maximize efficiency. Delegate tasks that are time-consuming, allowing yourself the freedom to focus on strategic growth. Investing in high-quality media and software tools will enable you to reach an audience far beyond your immediate reach, driving endless growth. Build a robust system that operates seamlessly without your constant involvement, ensuring consistency and reliability in your offerings. Remember, the goal is not just to grow, it's to create a sustainable business model that thrives independently. Finally, as you craft your entrepreneurial legacy, consider the importance of planning your exit strategy. You have two paths before you. Sell your flourishing business for a substantial payday or retain it for ongoing revenue generation. Emphasize building multiple income streams to empower yourself with true financial freedom, allowing you the flexibility to design the life you envision. Step up and embrace the challenge ahead, for the journey to greatness demands unwavering determination. The world awaits your vision and resilience, ready to witness your empire rise from the ground up. Seize this moment. Your unstoppable journey begins today. Remember, your legacy is built one bold move at a time.